Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and it's putt-putt day! So we're obviously playing putt-putt. We have to, because who doesn't love putt-putt? I couldn't tell you. So here are the socks we're wearing. Like a pro, they have these cute little alligators on them with like the golf tees and the holes. They're so stinking cute. I love the length of these because this part still sticks out at the top. So they're so perfect, and you can still strut your Sock City socks. So throughout this video, you'll be seeing me hitting some putt-putt shots, and I would say these socks make you dance better. I mean, it's not a fact or anything, but it's definitely pretty close to it. I love putt-putt almost as much as I love my Sock City socks. Not quite, but almost. Like these, oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. Like, take a look. So cute. We are here at the glow-in-the-dark putt-putt place near where we live, and my husband's about to get straight wrecked, and we're here in none other than our Sock City socks. They're so cute. They say like a pro on them, but stay tuned to see who wins. Let's go. Guys, hope my dancing didn't make you in the video early or anything, but thanks for watching, and please like, comment, subscribe, and check out our website so you can find your socks meant for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.